This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use dynamic pages in Wix. Dynamic pages are a powerful feature allowing you to display content from a database collection using a single page layout. This means you design the page once, and it automatically populates with different content for each item. It saves you a tremendous amount of time, especially when you have dozens or even hundreds of items to showcase. First, you need to set up your database collection. Navigate to your content manager and create a new collection. Here, you will define the fields such as title, description, or image that correspond to your content. Then, populate this collection with all your items. For example, if you have 50 products, you'll add 50 entries, each with its unique details. Now, let's create the dynamic page itself. From your site pages, add a new page and select Dynamic Page. You'll choose between an item page for individual items or a category page for groups. Once the page is created, drag and drop elements like text boxes, images, and buttons onto it. Then, connect each element to the corresponding field in your database collection. To display your content, you'll use a dataset on your dynamic page. This dataset acts as the bridge, linking your page elements to the database collection. Connect each element, for instance, an image element to your product image field. After connecting everything, preview your site to see how each item's unique content populates the single page layout. It's incredibly efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.